I am studying graphic design. Ever since I can remember, I've been doing artistic things. When I first got my hands on something similar to Photoshop, I just ate it up, where I had the opportunity to go back to school and found the Academy of Art. It's been fantastic because I have a different perspective, a different focus, a different drive. I went to college when I was 18, right out of high school. I didn't have that focus. I didn't have that drive. It took joining military and growing up very quick to kind of help me channel what were some strengths and abilities that were deep down in me, and it brought them all to the surface. Ever since I've started here at the Academy, I've always done part online and part in person, but I've had some fantastic instructors who still make every effort to set up Zoom meetings or do whatever they can to clarify anything that needs to be. The Academy of Art offers a lot of assistance when it comes to veteran resources. Anytime there's been an issue, I've been able to make a phone call, send an email. I respect every instructor that I've had here. They're leaders in their fields. I appreciate how much they want to have an impact on all the students' future, whether it's feedback that they give through Zoom recordings or the feedback that I see them give in person. Like, they genuinely care about our success. All the skills that I've learned over the past 4 years are directly applicable, whether it's my typography courses, graphic design courses, UI UX courses, learning how to create a good composition. Going into package design, I've taken 3 package design courses in my undergraduate studies, and everything directly applies, and it has been a fantastic experience. We've actually started our own studio that we're doing work. We got our first clients. We're deep in our first project right now. It's a company called Friction Labs. They're actually the leader in hand chalk for rock climbers, and they're looking to expand and try to get their foot in the door into more sports, gymnastics. Honestly, with our first project, to have it be such a large-scale project is really neat. Ultimately, I'm in graduate school because I want to teach. I have a passion and a love for teaching and being able to influence others in some way, shape, or form and help them. It's giving me the confidence, too, to where I can go out with my head up high, knowing that I have the skills to be able to do it. I owe that to the Academy.